activists of Chhatra League and Yuva League attacked the students of Dhaka University. He also said that a lot of protesting students and public were killed by using drone, helicopter and lethal weapons throughout the country. Chaudhry Abdullah Al Mamun further asserted in his testimony that he, along with Home Minister Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal, Home Secretary and the MP Commissioner, went to Narayanganj on 29/7/24 to observe the situation of the movement. And on the way, they stayed for a while in front of Jatrabari police station. And then DC Iqbal of Wari Zone showed a video to the Home Minister on his mobile. Guidance of accused Home Minister Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal and IGP Chaudhry Abdullah Al Mamun, the law enforcers and activists of Awami League, Chhatra League and Yuva League invaded the protesting students and public throughout the country by using drone, helicopter and lethal weapons, causing death to about 1,500, inclusive of 6 protesters at Sankarpur of Dhaka, namely Shahryar Khan Anas, Mahdi Hassan Junaid, MD Yaqub, MD Rakib Hawladar, Muhammad Ismamul Haq, Manik Mia alias Shaharik, and another 6 protesters at Ashuria of Sabar, namely Sajjad Hussain Shajol, As-Sabur, Tanzil Mahmud Sujoy, Bayezid Bustami, Abul Hussain, and another unidentified protester near Dhaka and caused grievous injuries to about 25,000 of them. In Ashulia, the aforesaid 5 dead bodies and another body of an unidentified injured protester were burned with petrol by police. The law enforcers and the activists of Awami League and those of its affiliated organizations named Chhatra League and Yuva League killed and injured the protesting students and members of the public with lethal weapons like SMG, LMG, China rifle, shotgun, 9mm pistol, 7.62 pistol, both on the ground as well as from the helicopters from above the ground. The atrocities were committed by incitement, order, abatement, and failure to take preventive and punitive measures of the accused Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, accused Home Minister Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal, accused Inspector General of Police Chaudhry Abdullah Al Mamun, and by the abatement, aid and perpetration of the underlings, that is the subordinates. Some of the injured victims, members of the families of dead and injured protesters, other eyewitnesses from different parts of the country deposed in support of killing and injuring hundreds and thousands of protesters all over the country. Under the foregoing facts and circumstances, it has ostensibly been substantiated that the atrocities of killing and gravely injuring the protesting students and public took place almost all over the country. In view of the testimony of the investigating officer, the atrocities during the movement, July movement 2024, the atrocities occurred in 50 districts and lethal weapons were used in 41 districts of Bangladesh. We also find that victim witnesses from many districts testified in the tribunal stating that killing and injuring the students and common people took place in their respective districts during July Movement 2024. Thus, it is clear enough that attack in question was directed against civilian population, and it was widespread and systematic. Therefore, in the atrocities of killing and gravely injuring the protesters, as aforesaid, accused Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina committed crimes against humanity by her incitement, order, and also failure to take preventive and punitive measures. Under charge 1, accused Sheikh Hasina committed one count of crimes against humanity by her order to use drones, helicopter, and lethal weapons. Under charge number 2, count 1, accused Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina committed crimes against humanity on one count under charge 1. Accused Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal and Chaudhuri Abdullah Al Mamun committed crimes against humanity by their abatement in the use of drones, helicopter, and lethal weapons. Under charge number 2, count 2. Accused Asaduzzaman Kamal and Chaudhuri Abdullah Al Mamun committed 2 counts of crime against humanity under the same charge by their abatements and failure to prevent the atrocities at Sankarpur, Dhaka, and also committed crimes against humanity by their abatements and failure to prevent the atrocities in Ashulia, Sabar, Dhaka under the same charge. Accused Sheikh Hasina, the Prime Minister, and as the President of Awami League and the controlling authority of all affiliated organizations, was the superior commander of the said party leaders and activists, as well as the Home Minister and Inspector General of Police, that is accused Sheikh Hasina and 2 other accused were in the superior and subordinate relationship. On the other hand, the Home Minister was the superior of the Inspector General of Police, that is, they were in the superior and subordinate relationship, as required to be an element as required by the provisions of Rome Statute. In the like way, all the police officers were subordinate to the Inspector General of Police. They worked under him. Thus, it is apparent that accused Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina had superior control status over accused Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal and accused Chaudhuri Abdullah Al Mamun.